Looking for some wardrobe inspiration, well, look no further, because I am bringing you a spring summer haul and try on from Pretty Little Thing, so stay tuned if you want to see that. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. Before I jump in, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification so you can stay updated with all of the content that I have coming out. Again, I'm so grateful for you guys. You know, you guys are so wonderful in terms of the messages and the encouragement that you guys are sending in regards to my videos. I know some of you guys prefer my tutorials, some of you guys prefer my beauty stuff, and some of you guys like my haul. So whatever it is, I thank you guys so much for your continued support. If you like this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and also if there's anything that you like, make sure that you comment below, and of course I want to hear from you guys anyway, so drop me a hello and comment below. That rhymed. So I guess let's jump straight in. So one of the first items I really want to show you is a yellow suit that I got. It looks quite white, but I got this yellow suit and I'm absolutely loving it. So this suit is a double-breasted suit from Pretty Little Thing. As you can see, 4 buttons there for the double-breasted. I love the material because it's super stretchy. It's not like your regular suit, of course. It is comfortable, and again, if you're a curvy girl like me, it literally stretches and fits to your curve. The trousers, they have a slight flare detail to them. Again, look, this is the stretch, guys. So it's super stretchy, super comfortable, breathable for spring, summer, of course. Yeah, and I decided to wear it without anything underneath. Of course, you can pair it up with like a bodysuit or a cami, a vest, whatever it is that you prefer. But I like a little bit of, you know, a cheeky cleavage, as you guys know already. So yeah, love this. So for this look, I was really kind of playing with the, you know, the Kim K Yeezy type of vibe. It's really cool, really relaxed in terms of like a two-piece. I really do like the fact that it is a wide neck, so you can really wear it off the shoulder or off both shoulders. I love the batwing detail on the sleeves, and then of course I feel like cycling shorts are quite big at the moment, and I really like this reinforced band. It really kind of supports your waist to kind of give that nice silhouette, that figure 8 silhouette. You guys, honestly, like, I think I've done it. So you guys know about like my mishap with those vinyl pants in the ASOS haul video. Well, I kind of like pushed the boundaries a little bit, and I decided to go with another pair. Now these are supposed to be like super stretchy ones. It's like a skinny jean sort of shape, but it has got a little bit of a stretch to it. Now I was so surprised. I was scared that I was gonna rip it, if you want me to be honest with you, but I was super surprised with how well it fit over my curves. Now this one I got as a size 14, and as you can see, like, I really would just put this with a belt. Like, it is so cute. Oh my god, so I really love this piece. It is a square neck unitard. It is long sleeve, it's got cycling shorts. You can really kind of dress it up for a cute evening look, or you can, you know, dress it down, pair it with some trainers and make it like a perfect day look. Again, I love it because it's super stretchy, and I love the seam that it has here at the waist to kind of really pull in that waist to create a cute silhouette. And just to add, this is from their Shape collection, so yes, it is made for your curves. Do you guys ever feel like certain pieces of clothing nowadays is made for implants, or like just really amazing boobs? This top is a off-the-shoulder leather effect top. I really love the balloon sleeves. I wasn't too sure about how it fit at the front. This is really, really great for an evening out. You know, you could pair it with some flares or a pencil skirt. This would look gorgeous. This is such a cute jumper. So it is an off the shoulder contrast pink and lilac jumper. I love it so much. We all need, you know, that sort of like spring summer sweater, and I genuinely feel like this is something that's not going to go out of season. This is something that you can actually keep for a very, very long time. So yeah, wear it how you like, off both shoulders, one shoulder, pair it with a pair of jeans. It is so cute. So from the Fenty collection, there is a lot of like motorsport, racer type of inspo floating around at the moment. So I decided to try out this kind of like super cropped crop top. I'm not sure about this one. You're gonna kind of have to wear it with like a little bit of a bralette because it is like an extreme crop. But if you're into that, I think this is super cute. Wear it with like one of those like cute sort of like retro half shades, you know, the cat eye ones. You look super cool with it. So let me unpack this again. So I really, really love this blazer. It is a Balmain dupe, basically the classic military style Balmain jacket you can get for a fraction of the price with this blazer. I really, really do love it. So I paired this blazer with a pair of trousers. Now I've already spoken, like I'm quite skeptical in terms of like suiting stuff because I just find it's really annoying in terms of the fit. And this one, surprisingly, it wasn't from their Shape collection. It's literally just straight leg trousers, but I was really impressed with this fit. Really, really impressed. It's got, you know, the normal sort of tailored fastening here and with the zip, and it is, as it says, a straight leg trouser, and it fits amazingly. It is like the perfect two-piece. So guys, I really do recommend this, and as you can see, the way that it's been made and stitched, it is accommodating shape, it is accommodating curves. It's got it at the front and the back, these two little seams that it has on the side. So I recommend these. Here is another two-piece. It is a gorgeous mint green colour. Let me just zip up that again. So it is a crop top which goes with another pair of high-waisted flares. So you can see the flare detail there. Again, it's got a nice little bit of a stretch to it. And obviously I always do the waistline to groin check for high-waisted, and yeah, this is perfect. I tried to get as much shape pieces as possible, but this one wasn't a shape piece, and this is a little bit of a warning. You cannot wear a bra with this. Wear this with something like a backless, strapless sort of bra, or some inserts which you can put in this. So quite a while ago I bought a black dress which was quite similar to this, except it was just like a plunge sort of detail. This is an off the shoulder nude dress. Now I really personally wouldn't class this as a nude. I feel like it looks a little bit more of a peach type of colour, but I really, really do love it. I feel that I'm a little bit iffy with it because there is some elements of it which is quite see-through, and so where it kind of layers up, you can kind of see that this shade looks a little bit different. I don't know if you guys can see that here or see it in the video. I don't know, like, what do you guys feel about this in terms of it on me? Is it something that you would get yourself? Also, I really, really love this wrap over details. Again, I'm all about creating a nice silhouette for whatever shape or size you are. You know, it's all about bringing in the waist. So I really, really do like how it brings out that sort of shape in this item. So it is my birthday in like 2 months. God, it's so close. But I'm literally just like dreaming of being on holiday again, and if I'm gonna find you the perfect holiday dress, well, I think I found it, and it is this tropical print, kind of like Versace themed dress. It is a satin dress and I absolutely love it, and it looks so gorgeous on. So I've got these cute little earrings from Zara, and I'm definitely just gonna put these two together. I mean, this is the perfect holiday dress. It's got a gorgeous plunge detail to it. Again, it comes in at the waist, creating a nice silhouette. So this is definitely one of my favorites. So this was my version of what Nude is. It was a nude bodysuit from the Shape collection. Again, I really love it. I got this one in a size 12 as well, and I just really like it. It's like you can't go wrong with basics, to be honest. And what I really love about it is the quality. It's got like this really kind of luxurious feel to it. It reminds me of something that I find from AQ, to be honest. I don't know who told me to go there again. Like, I thought, you know what, let me try their Shape collection. They've got these black vinyl trousers. I thought, like, yes, I found these pink ones which look perfect. Let me just try these black ones. Oh. It's supposed to be fit completely different. I mean, the detailing at the top, it's supposed to accommodate a small waist. It's got the zip and everything to help you get in. I mean, and I just don't want this type of difficulty when dressing. So, I mean, how cute is this biker? So it is a sequin jacket, and I got it in a size 14. I mean, hello festival. I feel like this is something which is perfect for festival, but then again, this is something that's quite timeless. This is one of those pieces where I feel like it can fit almost any time of year. This is quite a thin jacket, so you haven't really got a lot to worry about. This is definitely a spring summer jacket for sure. So finding jeans is definitely a struggle for all of my curvy girls. Can I get an amen? Can I get an amen? Well, basically I found these really good pair of jeans from their Shape section. I love it, and I love this sort of like biker detail that it has here, and then the sort of shredded hair, which has been in for quite a few seasons now. I really love the way that this fits me. So I decided to get the leopard version of the tie front top that I showed you guys. So this is it. Again, it's got the same sort of details, the balloon sleeve, but I just really kind of love this leopard print, which I find is a timeless print again, but this is just something nice. It's a sexy piece to kind of add to your wardrobe, just to kind of update it a little bit. I'm really loving this brown pencil skirt from the Shape collection. It's a ribbed one. Again, I really like the material of it, and again, it's fit for your curves. So the cutout really kind of comes out on the hips, and it goes in at the waist to obviously create a nice silhouette, and then at the bottom it comes in again, but this is super stretchy. Look at that, guys. So I got it in a size 12. It's so nice. It really can just like stretch to whatever shape or size you are. This again is a really nice staple piece to keep in your wardrobe, and I love the tone as well. It's not seasonal. This is something that can work throughout the entire year. Oh my god, so I was getting some serious like Ashanti vibes from this. I'm really loving this sort of like wrap shirt. It just really kind of modernizes the regular shirt. This is perfect for every day, for the office. I really love how you can kind of customize it, so you can, you know, tie it to the front, you can make it a wrap shirt. Got that longer detail at the back, which just makes it a little bit more modern. The fabric itself, it's really quite light, which is perfect for a warmer climate, of course, but I just find that this is something that you can actually wear, I think, throughout the year. Another really cute summer top is this wrap blouse. I love my wrap tops, guys. It creates that illusion of an elongated neck. It brings in your shoulders. Again, the detail here draws your eye to your waist, creating that nice silhouette. So yeah, this is a must-have. So I got another double-breasted blazer because blazers are really, really hot right now, and as well as pastels. So pastel blazers is a no-brainer. So this one, it is particular a super plunge blazer, and again, I love the fact that it's super stretchy, but I just love the super plunge detail. It just makes the blazer a little bit more sexier and wearable. So this is the fuchsia version of the mint green two-piece that I got. So this is what it looks like, and again, I really like that it has a pleating sort of detail at the front of these flares. Just super cute. And I just paired it with a denim jacket to kind of dress it down, because I find that it's a piece that is quite dressy. So I just really want to show you some options in terms of making it a day piece. Here is another bandeau two-piece that I got. So it comes in a khaki color. Again, I really quite love the way that the material reacts when it hits the light. It kind of looks really luxurious. Again, this is from their Shape collection. So it's got the same details where the waist is stretchy, but it comes in a little bit more than the hips. It accommodates the hips, and then it's got that cute extreme flare detail on the trousers, which I really I'm loving at the moment. So guys, that is it, and I'm hoping that you did enjoy my haul, and I'm hoping this can give you a little bit of inspo in terms of items that you can wear for spring summer. Thank you so much, pretty little thing, and make sure that you guys check out my description below, because there is all of the details and the links directly to all of the pieces that I featured, and it's going to be in order for you, so it's going to be really easy to find the items so that you can add it to your wardrobe. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Make sure you check out the rest of my videos on my channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys again very soon. Take care. Bye.